Hello everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. I am here today to show you how to troubleshoot a smart roller shade that stopped operating. My shade here in my office just stopped working today. So actually it stopped working yesterday and I went ahead and charged it. So I put the cord and I plugged it in there just in case it's the battery. But that would be the number one way to check if there's no power, then it won't operate. So then recharging it, you just plug in the USB-C cord and plug it into a charger, into the wall basically. And there's another video on that, so go ahead and check it out. But this one, we're also going to try to troubleshoot any programming issues it may have. I don't know. Let's learn together. So you know what though, before we get started, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And then select the alert notification so that way you can check out any new videos that we have coming out, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this one is a button, I believe. I think this one's the light, okay? So I'm gonna push that button and wow, I got it to jog. That's good. Okay, guys, so I just pressed the button, so I'm gonna use my finger this time. So that'll jog it, and that's going to put it in programming mode. And you take the back off of your remote here, and then I push this first button, P1. Okay, so I'm going to push the button until it jogs. Okay. And then I'm going to push P1, and then it jogs. Okay. That jogged twice. It shouldn't do that. But let's see. Okay, it operates. Good. Good. Let me push up. All right. Push stop. All right. Everybody, so I was able to literally just recharge the shade, and then I had to repair the remote to the shade. I probably need to repair it also to the mobile app, but that's an entirely different video, okay? So that's how you quickly troubleshoot a smart roller shade that's not operating. This process should work for many types of motors, so hopefully it helps you guys out. If you have any comments or questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comments. If you need any smart roller shades or need installation in the Los Angeles or the Las Vegas area, let us know. Okay, guys, we really appreciate you watching us, and we really appreciate your support. So thank you very much, and take care. God bless. And as DIY Aiden always says, catch you next time. See ya.